Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into Python programming. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to level up your coding skills, this video is your ultimate guide to becoming a Python guru. We'll take you through each step, from the basics to advanced concepts. So, let's jump right in and unlock the power of Python. 1. Getting started with Python. Begin by installing Python and setting up your development environment. We'll walk you through the process, whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once you're all set, we'll write our first Python program together. 2. Python basics and syntax. Learn the fundamental Python concepts like variables, data types, operators, and control structures. Understanding the syntax is the first step in becoming a proficient Python programmer. 3. Functions and object-oriented programming, OOP. Dive into functions and OOP in Python. We'll cover how to create functions, pass arguments, and return values. Then, we'll explore OOP principles, including classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism. 4. Python data structures. Explore essential data structures in Python, such as lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. Learn how to manipulate and access data efficiently. 5. File handling and input-output, I/O. Discover how to read and write data to files using Python I/O operations. This knowledge is essential for handling external data and storing information. 6. Python libraries and modules. Explore the power of Python libraries and modules. We'll cover popular ones like NumPy for scientific computing, Pandas for data manipulation, and Matplotlib for data visualization. 7. Exception handling. Understand how to handle exceptions gracefully in Python. Learn about try-except blocks and best practices for managing errors in your code. 8. Web scraping with Python. Learn the basics of web scraping using Python. We'll show you how to extract data from websites and automate repetitive tasks. 9. Building a Python project. Put your skills into practice by building a real Python project. We'll guide you through the process of creating a mini application from scratch. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've completed our step-by-step guide to mastering Python programming. By following these points, you're on your way to becoming a skilled Python guru. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming tutorials and tips.